Put the fire block in place. And then fasten the hand wheels. Connect the vacuum pump air hose to the exhaust port and tighten the double hose fitting. Start the vacuum pump and open the exhaust valve. At the same time, the inlet valve and exhaust valve should be kept closed. The change of vacuum level can be observed through the pressure gauge. Under normal circumstances, the ultimate vacuum level is 0.1 megapascal. If you want to stop vacuum, please close the outlet valve and then turn off the pump. If you want to fill inert gas, please consult the gas source to the gas inlet and fasten the switch lock. Then open the inlet valve. The flow rate could be adjusted by the flow meter. Please open the vent valve to adjust the pressure if the positive pressure near 0.05 megapascal, and then keep a micro positive pressure. After the completion of vacuum pumping and gas filling operations, first understand the control panel, the temperature controller, the amperemeter, the voltage meter, turn on, disconnect button, master switch of power supply, indicator light. The following are the specific steps for heating the equipment. Turn on the power and click Turn On. After the program setting, click Run. The atmosphere furnace starts to heat up.